Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rachel and I'm a fashion reseller over on Poshmark. So here is my Poshmark closet in case you guys are searching for me. But today we're going to talk about online sourcing. If you're a reseller like me and during this time where we really can't go anywhere, we have to get creative when it comes to sourcing. And so the first thing I did was I went onto Poshmark and I tried to source on there. And so I'm going to talk about how I find different items that are at a good enough price for me to flip. So the first thing I do, and I'm going to show you on my screen, is I look for listings that are low in price, like low in enough price for me to be able to flip. And my favorite thing, one of my favorite things to source is fossil bags. So the reason I like fossil bags is they're generally leather and they clean well. I also search for other brands and such, but today we're just going to search for fossil bags. So what I do is I go up into the listing search bar and I just type in fossil and then I hit enter. Then I'm going to go and I'm going to narrow this search. I'm going to click women's. This can obviously be anything. This is just kind of how I go about it. You can do this with any brand that you like to sell. So I'm going to click bags. Now from here, you can go in and actually decide what bag you're searching for. I don't. I just kind of leave it at this. But I am going to go up and sort by price, low to high. Now, another thing that you want to look for when you are searching for bags or anything really, you want to look at the description, because sometimes people will have in their description of the items, they will have something like moving sale, closing closet, have to get rid of everything, you know, things like that. Those are closets that you want to look for. And the reason why is people that are closing their closet or are moving, they're not resellers. Those are just regular people trying to get rid of some items in their closet. So they're not really trying to make a huge profit on selling these items. They're more or less just trying to declutter their home. All right, so you do have to filter through quite a bit of just junk. Okay, so just know that you're going to have to take time to be able to filter through. And I'll show you an example. So this says pre-loved fossil leather purse. It looks fine, but when you go and click through the pictures, you know, look at this. There's, you know, some fraying and, you know, that's an issue. I would not want to sell something like that. But yeah, so you're just going to go through and here's something else. You know, there's just too much wear on this for me to be able to sell it. But you just want to go through and click on things that, you know, are a good enough price and things that have flaws that you know you can get out. Like me personally, I cannot get an ink stain out of leather. I have tried everything and I either damage the leather or it just never fully comes out. And I'm going to talk about a girl that I found. And what's crazy is this is her and this is the bundle. I purchased a 26 item bundle from her for $106.11, making each item about $4. She just gave me a great deal on these items. She has wonderful photos and she has great prices to begin with. But what I did is I did find a fossil bag from her that I knew that I could, you know, bring back to life. And honestly, it looks pretty good in these photos. And when I got it, it looked great too. It just needed some conditioning. So I cleaned it up a little bit, did some leather conditioning on this. And it looks great. I mean, the inside even looks wonderful in her photos. There's not much wear on it at all. So I really, really liked her closet. And it was only $8. And I said, you know what? I'm going to go and look at her closet, which I'm so glad I did. I just sorted it by lowest to highest, I think. And then obviously you're going to click available. And then I shopped from that. If you're interested in seeing what I got from her, just follow along. But like I said, this is a wonderful way for you to source online and just find items that you can't find anywhere else right now because we can't shop. So anyway, I also wanted to talk really quickly. She knew that I was going to film this video, so she did go ahead and create some reseller mystery boxes for my viewers. She has two different ones. She has a 4 pair of shoes reseller box for $34. And then she also has a new with tag plus size 8-piece reseller box for $64. So if you guys are interested in her closet, not only does she have great items just by themselves, but she also has these mystery boxes. So go and check her out, guys. You can find her. Her name is Nicole. And she is at NTHIEN, okay? NTHIEN, and I'll post it on the bottom here so you guys can see that. All right, so let's go ahead and get into what she sent me. So the first item is this. This is a Lucky Lotus, so it is by Lucky brand. Beautiful long-sleeved sweater. I will say I am already sourcing for the fall, and I know that that sounds crazy, but as a reseller, I have always been about a step behind when I should list. So until the beginning of this year, I was always listing things a little bit too late. So I'm already kind of getting ready for the back to school season, and I've been purchasing sweaters because you can get them cheap right now because people are trying to get rid of their winter clothes at this time. And so I do go ahead and purchase those. I have them put away, and I am going to start listing those probably in July. But anyway, she had this listed for $8, which is already a great price. Like I said, I got everything for $4. It's in great condition, has beautiful embroidery. Next, I got this Day Trip. So Day Trip is sold over at Buckle, and I can't tell you how many times I passed by this tag in the thrift store, not realizing that it was from Buckle. So it's great to show you guys the tag so you kind of know what to look for. But Day Trip is sold at Buckle, and they do have some really beautiful items. So this is just a gray. Once again, this is definitely an item I will probably list in the fall just because it is sweater. It is a little bit sheer and lightweight, but yeah, I will definitely be listing this in the fall. So just a really beautiful pullover there. Me this Fabletics romper. I'm really excited to list that. I've never really sourced Fabletics much, so I am really excited to try that out. All right, so next is this, and this was one that I thought I might keep just because it is so beautiful. Once again, this is for the fall. This is the J. Crew gray wrapped sweater. It has beautiful bell sleeves. That's what caught my eye, but it's also a little bit semi-cropped. Like you can just tell by the length that it's semi-cropped, and I thought that would look so cute with some high-waisted denim jeans. So picked that up for $10. Obviously, I got it for $4. So we're back to this Fossil bag. This is what made me find her closet. So once again, I searched for Fossil. I sorted by low to high price, and I found this for $8. Beautiful, beautiful bag, and I cannot wait to get that listed. Next is another Fossil bag. She had quite a bit of Fossil bags, which was great. This one is a little bit different. It's a wicker style, so it's not something I typically pick up, and it is probably vintage, but it is in wonderful condition. There is kind of a loose spot here, but I think I can poke it back in. But honestly, the rest of the bag is in brand new condition. Like there's no wear whatsoever on the inside or the outside. So really excited to get that listed as well. But Gimmicks is also sold over at Buckle. It's by Bke is the brand. So Bke is known more for their jeans and stuff like that, but they have a brand underneath Bke, which is called Gimmicks. So this is sold over at Buckle. I will list this probably soon because I would say it's more for the summer. It is lightweight. It is a layered. It has a cami underneath, and then it has a raw hem. Here, just a really cute mesh top, and it's a really beautiful, like, peach color, I would say. Next, we have this. Now, I don't know anything about this brand. She has on here it's sold at Anthropologie, but I could not verify that it was. So if you guys have seen this brand, let me know, but it's beautiful and it's very, very well made. This is a wool dress, so I will wait to list it. It is missing a button, and you can't see it, but she did put that it was missing it, and I still purchased it because it just needs a simple black button at the top here. But it is layered. See this red underneath? The whole dress is layered with that red material, and then the bottom has this beautiful ruffle detail along with the sleeves. So I just thought that was something really cute and something that would be really good to wear to maybe a holiday party or something, since it is wool. All right, so next is this. This is actually a new with tag item. This is the second thing I found in her closet while I was looking for sourcing, because it is new with tag, and I really try to find items that are new with tag. They do sell better, and they're usually easier to find stock photos for, but I did find this. It's just a soft, sexy American Eagle purple maxi dress. Has this really pretty, like, crisscross detail here with the straps, so I thought that was really nice, and it is a size medium, which is a good size. All right, we're moving right along. So this is it Joey or Joey? I don't really know, but I do know that this brand is really, really good. It's like a luxe brand. I do not know anything other than that. I don't know where it's sold, unfortunately, but I saw that she had it for $7 and it is silk. So I thought that is a great deal. I'll do some more research. Here's what the tag looks like. It's a medium as well. So a lot of the stuff I got is all the same size, I'm noticing. But yeah, so I picked that up. If you guys know this brand, comment below. I'd like to know more information. Next is this. It is Everly. It is sold, I believe, at boutiques. And this item is new with tag, which is really nice. $7. This is a great layering piece. Like if you put a belt and a cardigan over this, it would look really, really cute. Or you could wear it as is. It has this really cute buckle here or button on the sleeves. And then here's what the tag looks like. Now, so this is sold over at boutiques, I believe. I think I did some research on this. And I have seen this tag before in the thrift store and I passed on it. So now I know that it is a boutique brand. Sometimes I pick up boutique. The reason I picked this one up is because it is new with tag. Like I said, I really try to get new with tag stuff. All right, so next is this. This is another Lucky Lotus brand, but this is by Lucky. Lucky brand, embroidered cardigan, size medium. This is so beautiful. I'm really having a hard time letting this go and listing it, but it's just a beautiful oversized open like waterfall cardigan, and it's embroidered. This will also be saved in my back to school items. Alrighty, so next we have this beautiful animal print vest, and this one I really am having a hard time I really want to keep this. And I'm not a huge animal print person, but it is so beautiful. It has the buttons in the front, but it also has these utility pockets here and here. And it is a longer length. I'm almost 5'7", and I have a hard time with things being too short on me in my torso area. So this fits me perfect. This is Jodiful, and I believe these are sold at boutiques. Beautiful bohemian items. Definitely anthropology feels for sure. Next we have this. This is Pink by Victoria's Secret, and honestly, Pink always does really well for me. There's definitely a big following of Pink. So I picked this up as well. It is a size small, but it is in wonderful condition, so back to school time for that as well. Next we have Free People. This I picked this out just because it was Free People and the price was wonderful, but it is Free People Beach. So it is very lightweight even though it's a cardigan. But yeah, so really cute layering piece there. I will save that for the fall as well. All right, next is another Jodiful brand. So you can see this has definitely has that ruffle hem bohemian look. So this is actually a tunic or a mini dress. You could probably list it as either, but almost has like an acid wash to it where it's just kind of factory faded, cuffed sleeves, beautiful ruffled hem there at the bottom. There is the tag. I think this would look so cute with like a large bohemian belt. I think that would be so cute with maybe some cowboy boots. All right, we're moving right along. American Eagle is another brand that I love to resell. Honestly, their jeans, their shorts, and their sweaters all have done really, really great for me. So anytime I can pick up American Eagle and something I know is on trend, there's definitely jeans and shorts that you want to look for that sell better. So yeah, doing your research on American Eagle, I find that it does really well for me. This is another open cardigan, does have buttons, and this is another one that's like the tunic length, which I really, really, really like. And it has pockets here in the front. It's a beautiful red color, and it is so soft. It's almost like cashmere. I don't know if it actually has cashmere in it, but it's so soft. I love that sweater. All right, we are moving right along. Here is another Free People. This was something a little bit different I've never found before. It is a toggled vest, beautiful olive green. It is a wool blend, which is really, really nice. People do look for wool, but with it being a vest, you would layer, a long sleeve shirt underneath it, so you wouldn't get that itchy feel that you get with wool sometimes. So really, really cute there. Okay, next another Free People, and I was trying to find a stock photo to see how they would style this, but I could not find one, so I'll have to do some more research. But this almost has a acid wash. I know she put that it is a tie-dye. It does have that, but it looks more like an acid wash to me, just kind of factory faded. It does have kind of a flowy hem at the bottom, which is really flattering for most people. And it is a size small, but it does run large. You can just kind of tell by looking at it that it does run a little bit large, oversized feel. Alrighty, so next we have this. This is a Silent Noise Urban Outfitters skirt. Although this is a skirt, I am still thinking I will list it in the fall just based on the colors. It's very dark colors. It has a beautiful zip up the front, which is so cute. Elastic waist. And I just think this would look so cute with a black top, black tights, and black booties. I think that would just really pull that together. All right, next we have these Lucky Brand boots, and I actually cleaned these. They looked a little bit dirty, and honestly, after cleaning them, they're still a little bit dirty, but I think that if I suede brush, this is where I thought, well, maybe it's just dirt. But it's just wear. You know, most boots get this here. Some boots even come with it already, you know, worn. But I'm going to get a suede brush and see if I can kind of break that up and make that look a little bit better. But they are in wonderful condition. Here's the bottoms. They don't even look to be worn. And the inside looks great too. So these are really cute, and they are a size 8.5, which is my size, which is very dangerous because they are so cute. All right, next we have another Fossil bag. This bag is a crossbody, and it's almost like snakeskin. Like, yeah, here's the print that is on it. It's a textured leather, and it's just kind of a basic crossbody. Now, one thing I do want to mention is there is purple marks on the handle, and you cannot see them in the photographs, unfortunately, but it's on the side of the strap. That's the inside. So like this is the outside of the strap. It's on the other side. So it's really not noticeable. I did try to get it off with a magic eraser, and that did not come off. So I'll either list it as is, or I will try to get that out, because otherwise it's in perfect, like brand new condition. There's no issues other than that. All right, last but not least, we have this Bke Boutique top. This is sold at Buckle. It is beautiful in person because this embroidery is this pretty metallic threaded color, and there is metallic threads throughout. It's semi-sheer, but it has this beautiful open shoulder, and it is just a stunning top. So I'm really excited to get this one listed. Once again, I'll probably hold off and list this in the fall. All right, guys, so that concludes my video. I hope that this was helpful. I hope that maybe you can do some online sourcing as well from home, and everyone can stay safe during this time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'd love to hear some feedback from everyone, and have a wonderful day. Hope everyone stays safe, and I'll see you guys next time.